Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHABHACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, we'd like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called your subconscious is your book of life. This topic I've covered in the last video, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic called what is impressed in the subconscious is expressed. This topic I will cover. Friends, this is 31 number video and let us see what the author Joseph Murphy has is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. William James, the father of American psychology, said that the power to move the world is in your subconscious mind. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling the William James, who is the father of American psychology, who said that the power to move the world is already in our subconscious mind. Means our subconscious mind have the power to move the full world, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Your subconscious mind is one with infinite intelligence and boundless wisdom. So our subconscious mind have infinite and boundless wisdom, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It is fed by hidden spring and is called the law of life. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that our subconscious is like a hidden spring and is also called the law of the life, friends. Okay. Whatever you impress upon your subconscious mind, the later will move heaven and earth to bring it to pass. So, friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that whatever we impress in our subconscious mind is later going to move and bring us to bring it past to the earth, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. You must therefore impress it with right ideas and constructive thought. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that we therefore must impress our subconscious mind with constructive and the right thought, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The reason there is so much chaos and misery in the world is because people do not understand the interaction of their conscious and the subconscious. When these two principles work in accord and concord in peace and synchronous together, you will have health, happiness, peaceful and joy. So here, friends, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that there is this much tension, chaos in our life because we do not understand the principle of conscious mind and the subconscious mind working together simultaneously, friends. Okay. And if we know the science of the subconscious mind, we will have a better health, peace, joy and also happiness, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. There is no sickness or discord when the conscious and subconscious work together harmoniously and peaceful. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling there is no sickness with us when our conscious and subconscious work simultaneously, harmoniously and peacefully together, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The tomb of Hermes was opened with great expectancy and a sense of wonder because people believed that the greatest secret of all ages was contained therein. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that the tomb of the Hermes were opened with a great expectancy because the people believed that the greatest secret of the ages was contained therein, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The secret was as within, so without, as above, so below. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling the secret was as within, as so it was without, and above it was all the below, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. In other words, whatever is impressed high, your subconscious mind is expressed on the screen of space. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling whatever impressed in our subconscious mind is expressed, means our subconscious mind expressed whatever is impressed in our conscious mind, it is expressed in the screens of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This same truth was proclaimed by masses: Isa, Jesus, Buddha, Zoroaster, Laotes, and the illumined seeds of ages. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling this was the same secret which was portrayed by everybody, like it was Moses, Isa, Jesus, Buddha, and also the all the intellectuals of the ages, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Whatever you feel as true subjectively is expressed as condition, experience, and events. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that whatever we feel true as subjective, it is presented as condition, heaven, and also the events in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Motion and emotion must balance. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling our motion and emotion always must balance, friends. Okay, as in heaven, your own mind, so on earth, in your body and environment. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling, as in heaven, our own mind, so as in earth, our body and environment, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. There is a great law of life. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that there is a great law of life. You will find throughout all nature the law of action and reaction of the rest and motion. So here, friends, author Joseph Murphy is telling that we are going to find this all in nature, the law of action, reaction, and the rest of the motion, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. These two must balance, then there will be harmony and equilibrium. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling our conscious mind and subconscious mind must balance, then there is going to be harmony and equilibrium in our life. You are here to let the life principle flow through you rhythmically and harmoniously. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling, friends, that we are here to, through our life principle should flow rhythmically and also harmoniously. The intake and the outgo must be equal. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling the intake and the outgo should always be equal. The impression and the first expression must be equal. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling the impression and the first expression must also be equal. All your frustration is due to unfulfilled desire. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling all the frustration is due to the unfulfilled desire. If you think negatively, destructive and vicious, this thought generate destructive emotion which must be expressed and find an outlet. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that if we think negatively, destructively, and viciously, this thought generate a destructive emotion which must be expressed to and find the outlet, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This emotion being a negative nature are frequently expressed as euclear, heart trouble, tension, and anxiety. So, friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling these emotions being a negative nature are frequently expressed in the heart trouble, tension, and also anxiety, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. What is your idea of feeling about yourself now? So here author Joseph Murphy is asking a question to us, that what are the ideas and the feeling of about ourselves at this moment, friends. Okay, what does we feel about yourself? Let us see what's the answer. Every part of your being express that idea. Your vitality, body, financial status, friends, and social status represent a perfect reflection of the idea you have of yourself. So here, friends, author Joseph Murphy is telling this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, here author Joseph Murphy is telling every part of our being is expressed in that idea, that is our vitality, body, financial status, friends, and our social status, friend, which represent completely our reflection idea of ourselves. So as we reflect, it is the same things outside also, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This is the real meaning of what is impressed in your subconscious mind and which is expressed in all phase of your life. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling that this is the real meaning of what is impressed in our subconscious mind and which is expressed in all phase of our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. We injure ourselves by the negative idea. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling we always injure ourselves by the negative idea which we entertain. How often have you wounded yourself by getting angry, fearful, jealous, or vengeful? So here our author Joseph Murphy is asking out a question. We ourselves injure us many times with the negative idea, friends, and here how often. So here Joseph Murphy is telling how often we wound ourselves by angry, fearful, jealous, or vengeful, or by the negative thought, friends. Okay, so here author Joseph Murphy is asking to us a question. These are the poison that enter your subconscious mind. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling these are all the poison which enters our subconscious mind. You were not born with this negative attitude. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that we were never born with this negative attitude, friends. Okay, feed your subconscious mind life-giving thoughts. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we should always feed our subconscious mind with the life-giving thoughts, and you will wipe out all the negative pattern logged therein. And after that we are going to easily log out all the negative pattern which are wiped into our mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. As you continue to do this, all the past will be wiped out and remembered no more. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling as we keep on doing this, all the past will be wiped out and it will be removed, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic I have covered the concept called what is impressed in the subconscious is expressed. This topic I have covered, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next video I am going to cover the topic called the subconscious heals a malignancy of the skin. This topic I am going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.